If you're a healthcare professional looking to elevate patient care and optimize supply chains, then you need to hear about SupplyCopia's groundbreaking innovation. In the heart of healthcare's evolving landscape, SupplyCopia stands out by integrating ChatGPT LLM into our hybrid control tower, a first in the market. This powerful tool offers real-time, AI-driven insights that are changing the game for health systems nationwide. Our innovative architecture is built on 3 layers. At the base, a comprehensive data lake integrates crucial information from medical costs to patient demographics, ensuring every decision is informed. The middle layer enhances this with applications like contract management and demand forecasting. Then, at the pinnacle, ChatGPT LLM merges deep AI analytics with this rich data foundation, providing immediate answers to complex questions, from operational strategies to cost-saving opportunities. Whether you're querying the cost of a procedure or seeking the best surgeon based on cost and outcomes, our hybrid control tower delivers precise, actionable insights. With SupplyCopia, you're not just adopting new technology, you're setting a new standard in healthcare efficiency and patient outcomes. Join us in shaping the future where technology empowers us to create a better world.